welcome to Kitchen Basics 101, where I teach you the bare bone basics as if you've never cooked a day in your life from the perspective of a mom. We're gonna make a cucumber. What I like to do is I like to give it like a little bit of a shave. So not like a full-on peel, but sort of like a tiger stripe situation. This is how I grew up eating cucumbers, so this is how I do it. You can do it however you want to. I'm a little bit on the fence. I was gonna do like let's do like level 2 on the mandolin. I was gonna do like a chili cucumber situation, just like show you, and chili oil. But now I kind of want to try like creamy something. Like maybe we should do a little, like in the same vein as our chicken, maybe do a little Greek yogurt, honey, lime situation and see if we like it on the cucumber like we like it on our chicken. I don't know. If you're using a mandolin, be very careful. You can cut yourself. As you can see right now, I am very, very far from the blade and I'm watching what I'm doing. And maybe the most important thing that I see a lot of people doing that I think is a no-no when you're using a mandolin is people press down really hard. Let the blade do the work. It's a side to side motion, right? When you get close to the end here, like a cucumber, you know, can be a little feisty or whatever. I didn't cut this end off. So I'm going to stop like here and not get any closer to the blade so that I don't hurt myself. Because safety is the most important thing in the kitchen, and that's where you should start first, is safety. Don't worry if you're like one less bite of cucumber, but you're safe. Purely an experiment. I've seen like Logan do his cucumber, and obviously I've done my Asian cucumber salad for you guys a million years ago. You've all seen that. So I did some Greek yogurt. Let's do a little honey. Nothing crazy, just a touch of honey, just for that little bit of sweetness. Pepper, obviously. Pepper takes so long, I'll be back. I'm really mimicking the marinade I made for the chicken the other day. So salt, pepper, creaminess, little smoked paprika, a little garlic. Although this is an opportunity, you could use fresh grated garlic here, which I think is what Logan always does, right? What else do we want to put in? We'll put a lime in. So far, this is exactly like the marinade that I made for the chicken. But we'll see. I might go like a little bit spicy with this and put some chili oil too. But we might shake this up and taste it just to see where we're at. Because like I said, full experiment. But it's just a cucumber. Like that's an inexpensive experiment to have. Okay, let's lid it up. Shake it up for 400 minutes. And then we'll see where we're at. All right? Okay, a lot of the good stuff stuck to the top. So I'm going to drag a cucumber through some of that. Slippery little suckers. And see where I'm at flavor-wise. Okay. Really limey, really fresh. We need some things. Okay, I think a scoop of the chili onion crisp in there, and then definitely more salt. It definitely needs more salt. Maybe just a smidge more yogurt. Just a smidge, nothing crazy. Let's mix that up. Doesn't this look so good? It looks so good. All right, time for another taste test. Oh, it's good. I love that it's like a little spicy, little sweet, little creamy, little tangy. That's delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend. And to answer your question, yes, I am going to eat the whole bowl.